Hi children, good morning. Take your workbook children. This is your maths class children. Take your workbook, open page number 20. Page number 20. Open page number 20 children, all of you. Addition. Add the following 2-digit numbers. Add the following 2-digit numbers. See children here. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is ones place. This is tens place. Here see under number is what? 2. 0 plus 2. If any number add with 0, that number only is came. So 2 is come to down. Write down 2 in ones place. 2 under 2. Next 1 plus 1. Take under number children 1. Take one finger all of you. Which number after you have to count? 1 after. Take one finger 1 after 2. Write down 2 under 1. Answer is 22. Next sum 3 plus 4. 23 plus 24. Add first ones place numbers. 3 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. 3 after you have to count. Take 4 all of you. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Write down 7 in ones place. Okay. Take 2 fingers all of you. Which number after you have to count? 2 after. Take 2. 2 after 3, 4. Okay. 23 plus 24 is equal to 47. 23 plus 24 is equal to 47. Next. 45 plus 54. 45 plus 54. Here take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Write down children 9. Next. Here take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write down 9. 45 plus 54 is equal to how much children? 99. Next sum. Here 60 plus 23. 60 plus 23. If any number add with 0, that number only came. So 3 is come to down. 3 is come to down. Here see children, take 2 fingers. Which number after you have to count? 6 after. 6 after 7, 8. Answer is 83. Next sum. 24 plus 35. Here under number is 5. Which number after you have to count now? 4 after. Take 5 fingers all of you. Take 5. 4 after count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Here take how many fingers? Under number is 3. So take 3 fingers all of you. 2 after you have to count. Which number after you have to count? 2 after. Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. Write down 5 in tens place. Next see children, add the 2-digit numbers by carrying. Here 2-digit numbers and also carrying. See 14 plus 18. 14 plus 18. Take how many fingers here? 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write here 1 and 2. 12. See children here, 2 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. 2 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. This is carrying number. Take one finger, 1 after 2. 2 plus 1. This carrying number also you should add, must and should add compulsory. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Answer is 32. Next, take 6 fingers. Take 6 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 0 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. Write down 0 here and 1 in 10's place. Take one finger, 3 after 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 50 is the answer. Take 4 fingers, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. This is 1's place, this is 10's place. Write down 0 in 1's place. 1 in 1's place, another 1 in 10's place. See next, 10's place, take one finger, 8 after 9. 9 plus 1, 10. See children here, plus under write 1, 1 under 0. 101. Next, 37 plus 23. Take 3 fingers now. Take 3 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. This is 1's place. This is 10's place. Write down 0 here and 1 in 10's place. Take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Answer is 60. Next, take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here 13. 3 1's place, 1 10's place. Write down 3 here and 1 is carrying number. 1 after, take 7 fingers all of you. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 93 is the answer. Next line. 34 plus 23 plus 25. 34, 23 and also 25. See children here, first take middle number fingers. Middle number is what? 3. Which number after you have to count? 4 after. First take everyone children middle number fingers. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. After take again 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Yes. 2 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. Write down 2 in 1's place, 1 is here carrying number. Take 2 again. 3 after, take middle number fingers, take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. Again take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Answer is 82. Here also take middle number fingers. Take 6. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 4. Take 4 fingers all of you. 7 plus 6 is what? How much ma? 13. 13 plus 4. 13 after 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. 7 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. Write down 7 here and write down 1 in 10's place. Take 5 fingers. Middle number is what? 5. Take 5 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 3. 11 after, take 3 again. 11 after 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 1, how much children? 15. Write down here plus 1 under plus under 1, 3 under 5. 157 is the answer. Next, take 3 fingers, middle number fingers. 4 after you have to count down. 4 after, 5, 6, 7. Take 4 again. 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11. One is in ones place and another one is in tens place. Take 4 fingers. 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take 2 again. 8 after, 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Write down children, plus under 1 and 2 under 1. Write 11 like this only. 111. Next sum. 68 plus 24 plus 35. Take middle number fingers. Take 4 fingers all of you. 8 after you have to count. 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Take again 5. 12 after, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Here 7 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. Next, take 2 fingers, middle number fingers. 6 after, 7, 8. Take again 3. 8 after, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 1 is equal to how much? 11 after 1, 12. Plus under 1 and 3 under 2. Write neatly. Plus under 1 and 3 under 2. Next. 96, 42 plus 34. Take middle number fingers. Take 2 fingers. Which number after you have to count? 6 after. 6 after, 7, 8. Take 4 again. 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here 12 is came. 2 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. Here middle number is 2. Take 2 now all of you. 9 after, 10, 11. Take 3 again. Here 9 plus 2 is equal to how much? 11. 11 after, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Write down plus under 1, 3 under 5. 152 is the answer. 152. See children, here add the 3-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3. Ones place, tens place and also 100 place is there here. See, 412 plus 313. Take under number fingers. Take 3 fingers. 2 after, 3, 4, 5. Write down 5. Here under number is 1. Take 1 finger. 1 after, 2. Write down 2 in tens place. Take 3 fingers now. 4 after, 5, 6, 7. Write down 7 in hundreds place. Answer is 725. Next sum. 326 plus 221. Take under number fingers only 1. 6 after, 7. Write down 7. Take 2 fingers. 2 after, 3, 4. Write down 4. Take 2 fingers again. 3 after, 4, 5. Write down 5 in hundreds place. Next sum. 334 plus 224. Take 4 fingers all of you. 4 after, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write down 8 in ones place. Take 2 fingers. 3 after, 4, 5. Write down 4 in tens place. Next, take 2 fingers. 3 after, 4, 5. Write down 5 in hundreds place. Next, 243 plus 131. Take down fingers only. Take 1 finger now. Which number after you have to count? 3 after. 3 after, 4. Write down 4. Take 3 fingers. 4 after, 5, 6, 7. Write down 7. Take one finger, 2 after 3. Write down 3. Answer is 374. Next, 352 plus 421. Take one finger, 2 after 3. Write down 3. Under one's place only, children. Take 2 fingers, 5 after 6, 7. Take 4 fingers, all of you. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. See children, 352 plus 421 is equal to 773. Okay children. Come to next page. Here see children, 423 plus 318. Take down fingers, take 8 fingers all of you. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Write down 1 in tens place and another one in ones place. Here take one finger, 2 after 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Write down in tens place. Take 3 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7. Write down 7 in hundreds place. Answer is 741. 741. Next, 315 plus 229. Take 9 fingers here, down finger, down number fingers. Take 9 fingers, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Write down 1 in tens place, 4 in ones place. Here take 2 fingers, 1 after, take 2 fingers, 1 after 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Take 2 fingers, 3 after 4, 5. Write down 5 in hundreds place. Answer is 544. Next, 343 plus 274. Take 4 fingers all of you. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Write down 7 in ones place. Take 7 fingers ma, all of you. Are you following? Take 7 fingers. Which number after you have to count now? 4 after. Very good. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is came. Yes. 1 in ones place and another one is tens place. Sorry ma, already ones place is finished. Yes. It is tens place value 11. So 1 in tens place and another one in hundreds place. This is carrying number. Okay, next take 2 fingers all of you. 3 after 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 617 is the answer. Next sum. 234 plus 148. Take 8 fingers all of you. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 2 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. Write down like this children. Take 4, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Take one finger, 2 after 3. Answer is 382. Next, take 7 fingers all of you. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8 or 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Take 6 fingers now. 6 after you have to count. Which number after you have to count ma? 6 after. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is came. 2 is in ones place, 1 is in, sorry ma, already ones place is finished. So 2 is in tens place and 1 is in hundreds place. Here take 4 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 7 after 8. 828. Okay children, practice these 2 number or 3 number additions by carrying also. Practice in your rough notebook or slate children. We will meet again in next class ma. Thank you children. Bye.